So let me guess, you're still stuck trying to figure out what situation can help your main character propel from loss to purpose. Well, if so, let's try two-word time capsule. It's a great exercise for when you're having trouble fueling your story plot. Step 1. Think of a memorable item or person from your past and write it down in 1 to 2 words. I'll go first. Marble ashtray. Step 2. Write a brief description of the memory. So for me, as a child, the presence of the marble ashtray was a cheerful clue that revealed my dad was home from work. Hmm, what could a marble ashtray signal in stories? For me, it signifies a connection to the past. On another note, when I think of marble, I think of luxury or elegance. When I think of an ashtray, I think of decay and addictions, which could be hidden flaws of the wealthy. Let's try another one. Squinting eyes. Squinting eyes reminds me of my aunt who would squint her eyes as a warning sign of trouble if we didn't stop being disrespectful when I was growing up.
The eyes.
Something as simple as squinting can shape the character's role in the story because it can signal rising tension, it drives suspicion, and it also deepens conflict. And the last one, the headrail. This reminds me of the time my mom opened the blinds in the living room to find a red-tailed rat snake stuck in the headrail looking down at her. Now, if the snake was hiding there, is it possible that your villain could hide a very important piece of the plot there that is found by the hero in your story and uncover the mystery he or she has been trying to solve all along? Yeah?
Thumb drive.
Could that work? It possibly could. Now it's your turn. Drop down in the comment section and create your own two-word time capsule. I can't wait to see what you've come up with.